What is going on, YouTube? So today I'm going to be going over GameStop and AMC stock, and we are going to be looking at a Twitter account that is speculated to be Roaring Kitty's second account. But before I do get into that, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. We are only 10 subscribers away from reaching 7,000 apes. So if you guys have been watching my videos and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and subscribe. So today GameStop did close up 1.5% with 10 million shares traded, and we did have a rally all the way to $30.60 where we did hit a high today. GameStop was green throughout the whole day, and it is looking like we have made a higher low here at $28.35, which was our low yesterday. Now tomorrow it is possible that GameStop does fall back a little below $28 to $27.80. That is the worst case scenario. Best case scenario, we do rise past $30 and we finally have a weekly close above $30. It is extremely possible to happen, guys. And something to note, if we do close around $29.30, anywhere above that, then on the weekly chart this will be a bullish engulfing candle, which is extremely bullish. Normally we get these like on daily candles, which is extremely bullish, but on a weekly, I mean, that's freaking insane. Not only do we have the bull flag, not only do we have this giant cup and handle, but we would be getting an engulfing candlestick on the weekly. I mean, this is the perfect setup for GameStop to break out, and I believe Roaring Kitty knows this. I believe he is going to come back once again before the year ends. Obviously it might not happen, you know, we might not get fireworks until freaking late January, but I am predicting it is going to happen over the next couple of trading days. So tomorrow I am going to be loading into a bunch of $30 calls expiring next week. So AMC did have a decent day today. It was up 1%. We did break below $4 for a second at $3.98, which was our low today, but we did bounce back off that level back to $4.09 where we closed the day green. There was 13 million shares traded so far, and I do believe this $4 level is the bottom for AMC. I did buy some more $4.5 calls today expiring on January 3rd because I believe AMC is going to have an explosive move alongside GameStop. Guys, if you don't think that this squeeze is happening, you have to be lying to yourself. You really do. I mean, it is so obvious. GameStop has not looked this bullish. Literally since 2021, GameStop has not looked this good, guys. I mean, the monthly Bollinger Bands is actually really starting to open up now. This is something that hasn't happened since 2020 and 2021. The monthly MACD is also now above the center line, which is something that also hasn't happened since December of 2020. So I do believe this move that is coming very soon is going to send GameStop to all-time highs. You know, it's possible we do just go to 60 and then we retrace back to 30. But I mean, with the momentum that has built up, with the amount of people looking at GameStop and waiting for Roaring Kitty to come back, it is unreal and it is bigger than 2021. So I believe we will get launched to all-time highs. Also, something to note on the monthly chart, the RSI is the highest it has been since 2021. So that is also good to see. The weekly RSI is inching up back towards 70. If we can cross 70 like we did back in May, then we will get this explosion. We will get this green explosion, and I believe it is going to happen if Roaring Kitty does come back. So the account we are talking about is Greg. I mean, I have talked about it on my channel that Greg is possibly Roaring Kitty's second account, and this guy did make an interesting post backing that claim. He said, is Greg Roaring Kitty's alt account? I think yes. So Greg joined Twitter in February of 2021, right after the GME squeeze. Probably Roaring Kitty knew that he would need an alt account as all eyes are on his OG account. So as you guys see here, Greg joined on February of 2021. In the second picture, Greg wished Ryan anniversary with Roaring Kitty's face. So on January 11th of 2022, he said, happy anniversary, Ryan. He's just talking straight to Ryan Cohen. In picture 3, Greg said he is in Ryan's team with Roaring Kitty's other side in the pic. So back on March 27, 2022, he said, I'm proud to be on the team Ryan. And it's literally just a picture of Keith Gill and Ryan Cohen and then Greg there. It doesn't get more obvious than this, guys. And in the fourth pick, Greg requests Ryan not to dump as he has only GameStop left. So back also in 2022, Greg said, please don't dump on me, Ryan. GameStop is all I have left. So there are so many clues that Greg could be Roaring Kitty's alt account. If you even look at the numbers on Greg's account, there's literally 69 and 420 right there. It's 1667, 69, 35, 420. I mean, we got the 69 and we got the 420. What do you freaking know? This guy goes on to say, most recently, Greg has chatted with Ryan Cohen like a close friend and said he got hired at GameStop. So Greg posted yesterday, I can't believe Christmas is in 4 days. This was on December 18th, meaning that Christmas is going to be on December 22nd, which is this Sunday. Is Greg possibly hinting to a Roaring Kitty tweet Sunday night, right when overnight trading opens? It is possible. It's all a theory. We will definitely find out though on Sunday. If Roaring Kitty does post something on Sunday, it is confirmed. Greg is Roaring Kitty's alternate account. So Jim Cramer posted today, he said, does GameStop really have to rally today? The day after the Fed wants speculation to cool? So 292,000 people saw this. White Rabbit said under, like this comment if you think Jim Cramer is a retard. This literally has more likes than Jim Cramer's tweet itself, and it only has 15,000 views compared to almost 300,000 that Jim Cramer had. Jim Cramer, that sick freaking bastard. I mean, guys, he's talking about GameStop just like he was talking about GameStop back in 2021. You guys really don't have to put any money into GameStop or AMC. I'm going all in. As of tomorrow, every dime, every penny, all in. Aside from the money I have in crypto, obviously, but every cent going all in tomorrow. This guy said, when I first bought AMC, I was trading just shy of $6 in 2021. The headlines were horrendous. Talk of theaters dying. AMC was on the verge of bankruptcy. A writer's strike was looming. AMC is now shy of $4 and the headlines are optimistic and radiant. 2025 looks to be glorious. Huge blockbusters, a year of record-setting attendance and concession sales, debt reduction. Are we still a meme stock or soon upgraded to a growth stock? So it is clear right now that AMC stock is still heavily manipulated, but over time, AMC will eventually pay off its debt. And what's going to be the short thesis then? AMC has done nothing but broke records in 2024, records that it has never broken in the past century. Just let that sink in. I believe AMC is extremely undervalued, especially after that reverse split. It's basically trading at 40 cents right now. I am definitely loading up on AMC at this price. James Rowland said, friendly reminder to stop stressing so much about the day-to-day price action and focus on the fact that this is the best GameStop has looked in 4 years. Regardless of your options trades, this is a very nice sight to see for long-term shareholders. GameStop just looks beautiful. I mean, GameStop really looks like the most bullish stock in the whole stock market. And once it does explode, you are going to see it all over the news. You're going to see it all over the media that GameStop is doing what it did back in 2021. This guy says, when you're in GME and the market crashes and GameStop doesn't even form a lower low, GameStop has $4.6 billion in cash and no debt. GameStop is in the process of closing hundreds of stores into transforming the company. And GameStop has Ryan Cohen as CEO earning zero compensation. It's really like the movie The Big Short. That's where this gif is from. But it's the exact opposite. This movie is going to be called The Big Long. And it is going to be just one giant green candle for GameStop and AMC stock. But let me know if you guys think that this Greg account can be Roaring Kitty's second account. Yesterday he did tweet, I can't believe Christmas is in 4 days. That is going to be this coming Sunday. So like I said, if Roaring Kitty does tweet this Sunday, it is going to confirm that Greg is his second account. But that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did make it to the end of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe. We're only 10 subscribers away from 7,000. So if you guys could get me to 7,000 subscribers today, I will be so happy. As of tomorrow, I am looking at some $29 calls expiring for tomorrow. So I'm going to be trading some daily calls, but I will be putting most of my money into $30 calls expiring next week, because I do believe Monday and Tuesday, the 2 days before Christmas, we could get some explosive moves from GameStop and AMC. But I will keep you guys updated on what happens with GameStop and AMC stock, so make sure to stay tuned on my channel. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go, come on, push it, buy